Hello dear children, your small cursive letter revision is completed. So now we learn how to draw capital cursive letters. Today I will teach you how to draw capital cursive letters. So first we start with letter A. How to draw letter A. I explain it with step by step. You can see on the board there are 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. First one is top line and last one is bottom line. You also know we write English letters in first 3 lines. So now we start. Put your pencil point between second and third line. Make down curve and go straight line. This is first step. Again make down curve, go up with straight line, small curve. This is second step. Go down curve, make a straight line, small curve, come back with a straight line. Right down curve, go up with slant line, small curve, come back with a straight line, little bit go up, make a loop and take out with a tail. This is A. One time more, go down curve, slant line, small curve, come back with a straight line, little bit go up, make a loop and take out with a tail. This is capital cursive A. The sound of A is A. So kids, now we practice it on a slate. Put your pencil point between second and third line. Go down curve, make slant line, small curve, come down straight, little bit go up, make a loop and take out with the tail. One time more, go down curve, come slant line, small curve, down straight line, little bit go up, make a loop and take out with the tail. Okay children, clear everyone how to write capital cursive A. Now we learn how to write capital cursive B. I explain it step by step. Put your pencil point center of the first and second line. Come down with a slant line. This is first step. Now put again your pencil point between first and second line. Come down with slant line from back loop and go up. Okay. The third step is with slant line from back loop and go up. Draw first big curve. This is third step. Again come down with slant line, back loop, go up, draw first big curve, again curve and turn it and side. This is B. One time more. Come back, come down, slant line, back loop, go up, make big curve, again big curve and turn it and side. This is B. The sound of B is B. So now we practice it on slate. Put your pencil point between first and second line. Come down with slant line, back loop, go up, draw first curve, again curve, turn it inside. Come down with slant line, back loop, go up, draw big curve, again curve, turn it inside. This is B. So kids, you will get the worksheet like that. On the worksheet you can see the step how to draw A and B. I think you understand very well how to draw capital cursive A and capital cursive B. So please practice it and do your work on time. Okay, bye.